Hello students, I am Prabdeep Singh, your political science teacher, and today we will revise the last chapter of your class plus 1 name development. Students, as you know that I already discussed every topic of this subject with you in the previous lectures, and today we will revise only. So I am trying to do little bit fast. If you have any query related with any question after watching this video, if you feel that we have a doubt in this question, you can concern with me personally. The first question is, what is development? Development, improvement. Here we mention the three main words: education, health and employment. Students, actually if we talk about the development of the country, these three fields are very important. If the education level is increased in the country, we can say that this is the development of the country. If the country increase the health facilities, this is also a part of development. Same as with the employment. If the employment opportunity increase in the country, these things show the development of the country. Clear? You can write the answer in your own words. Yes, next. Second question, initial year of the development was economic growth and modernizations of society. Because at the time of independence, here they are talking about the initial years, means at the time of independence, our economy is at very low stage, and the things are very old. The way of doing the things like industry tools or agriculture tools, these are very old. That's why these two things was very important which our country do. First one, economic growth. Second one, modernization of society. Third question, why were Asian countries underdeveloped? Because of the colonial rule. If I talk about the Asian countries like India, China, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, these are underdeveloped countries and not equal to as compared to the developed countries like America, Russia, England, UK, because of the colonial rule. Colonial rule means when any other country people rule our country, that is called as a colonial rule. Next question, fourth question, India adopted 5-year plans at the time of independence. Students, I hope you all know that now the name is changed from the Planning Commission to Niti Aayog. This is also very important question. India adopted this 5-year plan in the year 1951 after that independence, after the making of constitution, and according to this 5-year plan, the India firstly select the different needs of the country, then plan, and then within 5 years try to achieve the target. Firstly set the target according to our resources, according to our needs, and then try to achieve the target within that 5 years. This is called as a 5-year plans. And now the 5-year plans which are under the Planning Commission, now the name of the Planning Commission is changed to Niti Aayog. Students, all these questions are from your NCERT book, so these questions are very important. Which oil company made Q-Saro Viva executive? The name of the company is Shell. You only remember the name of this company. Sixth question, environmental cost of the development. Environmental cost. Students, it means that when any company or any country do some work for the development, sometimes that due to that bad effects, the environment affected. That's why that type of thing is called as environmental cost. Like in last few years, about 50 years, the many countries started the industrialization. Due to that, the carbon dioxide and the other gases increase, and that affect the melting of the glaciers. Day by day, the glaciers are melting. So we can say that the melting of glacier is the environmental cost of development. We, according to our system, according to our the planning, we have to do the development that is sustainable development without affecting the environment. We have to achieve our goals. Social cost, if I quote seventh question, if I talk about the social cost of the development, that is the displacement, loss of livelihood, impoverishment. It means that sometime due to the dams and due to some industrial establishment, some people have to leave the houses and go to other place, because no one can do work against the government. If the government do some work for the development, the people have to follow the rules. So these type of things is called as social cost of development. Next one, name some environmentalist leaders like Ken Saro-Wiwa, Mida Patkar. You have to learn these names. Next question, question number 9. To which country does the Ken Saro-Wiwa belong to? That is Nigeria. This is a part of Africa. 10th question, name the movement of Ken Saro-Wiwa, movement for survival of Ogoni people, to save the life of these people. This leader did the work. Who was Ken Saro-Wiwa? Environmentalist leader. 12th question, name the leader of Narmada Bachao Andolan. I hope you all know about this movement, Narmada Bachao Andolan. And the name of the leader who worked for this Narmada Bachao movement, that's a Mida Patkar. Last question, but very important question. Which organization come out with the Human Development Report? Every year, the UNDP, United Nations Development Program, come without, or you can say that produce one human development report in which they mention the ranking of the country according to the development. Clear? They have taken all the parameters like the literacy rate, employment, infantry rate. Okay? Means they have taken all the parameters, and according to that compare the countries and make this report.